हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल्स हब। स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ फिज़िक्स के एमसीक्यूज़। तो करते हैं वीडियो को स्टार्ट। उससे पहले अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन कंपैरिजन विद द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स between two electrons, the electrostatic force between two protons is same. The position of the charge inside the enclosing surface is changed in such a way that the total charge remains constant, then the total normal electric flux through the enclosing surfaces remains unchanged. If the sizes of charged bodies are very small compared to the distances between them, we treat them as point charges. If a body is charged by rubbing it, its weight may increase or decrease slightly. The quantization of charge indicates that charge which is a fraction of charge on an electron is not possible. What happens when a glass rod is rubbed with silk? Gains proton from silk. Force per unit charge is electric field. An electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. The net electric dipole is depends on the dipole moment. Dash gives information on field strength, direction, and nature of the charge. Electric field. When the separation between two charges is increased, the electric potential energy of the charges decreases. Electrostatic field is dash inside a conductor. That is 0. The electrostatic potential on the perpendicular bisector due to an electric dipole is zero. Dash is the process in which a region is made free from any electric field. That is electrostatic shielding. For any charge configuration, the equipotential surface through a point is dash to an electric field at that point. Parallel is the correct option. How to increase the capacity of the parallel plate capacitor? Increase the area of the plate. The work done by the external force in bringing the charge Q from infinity to a point is called as potential energy due to the charge Q at that point. When air is replaced by a dielectric medium of constant K, the maximum force of attraction between two charges separated by a distance decreases K times. Work done by the external force in bringing the charge Q from infinity to a point is called as potential energy due to charge Q at that point. Hollow metal sphere of radius 10 cm is charged such that the potential on its surface becomes 80 volt. The potential at that center of the sphere is 80 volt. A, B and C are 3 points in the uniform electric field. The electric potential is maximum at point P. A p-type semiconductor is uncharged. Number of electrons in the valence shell of a pure semiconductor is 4. In a half-wave rectifier, the RMS value of the AC component of the wave is more than DC value. In semiconductors at room temperature, the valence band is partially emptied and the conduction band is partially filled. Option B is the correct option. Barrier potential of a PN junction diode does not depend on diode design. The two ends of a PN junction are joined by a wire. There will not be a steady current in the circuit. Forward biasing is that in which applied voltage cancels the potential barrier. When PN junction diode is forward biased, then both the depletion region and the barrier heights are reduced. Filter circuit eliminates AC component. Bridge type rectifiers uses 4 diodes. In parallel combination of N cells, we obtain more current. When light travels from one medium to another, which of the following does not change? That is frequency. For which of the following is the field of view maxima? Option B, convex mirror. Which of the following cannot be polarized? Sound waves. What happens when the light is refracted into a medium? The wavelength increases but the frequency remains unchanged. Which of the following is not a property of light? It requires a material medium for its propagation. Two lenses of power minus 15D and plus 5D are placed in contact coaxially. The focal length of equivalent lens is option A, minus 10 cm. A glass prism is dipped in water. What happened to its dispersive power? It decreases. Which of the following phenomena is used in optical fiber? Total internal reflection. For a telescope, the larger the diameter of the objective lens, greater the resolving power. What should be increased to increase the angular magnification of a simple microscope? The power of the lens. Which of the following phenomena of light results in a mirage? Refraction of light is the correct option. Convex lens is dipped into a liquid whose refractive index is equal to the refractive index of the lens, then what is its focal length? Option C, focal length will reduce but not become 0. Ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction remain constant for given pair of media, and that constant is called as option B, refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium. Which of the following statement is true for total internal reflection? Light travels in water only. AC power is transmitted from a powerhouse at high voltage as it is more economical due to less power loss. Alternating current cannot be measured by DC ammeter because AC changes its direction. Transformer works on the principle of magnetic effect of the electric current is the correct option. Transformation ratio in the setup transformer is less than 1. When a metal conductor connected to left gap of a meter bridge is heated, the balancing point is shift towards right is the correct option. So student, this is about MCQs. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.